days are over. Now, today and tomorrow, we focus on conversion functions. Important topic. So we discuss about conversion functions now. Very useful, important. Pay attention, listen carefully. Topic name is conversion functions. Many conversion functions are there. I'm covering three important functions here. Many conversion functions are there. I'm covering three important conversion functions. Observe here. Three types of data is there. Character type data. Character term I'm using means please understand that is string. Char term. Char term if I am using, understand that is string, sir. Character type means string. Another type is date type. Another type is number type. Number. Three types of data I'm taking. One is date type data. Another one is character type data. Another one is number type data. Three types of data is there. Now my requirement is I want to convert this date value. I want to convert date value to the character type. If you want to convert date value to the character type, use the function toChar. The name is giving the meaning. Observe. toChar. If our requirement is converting to character type, toChar. Simple. To underscore char. If you want to convert date to char, some date values there, I want to convert to the character type. So if you want to convert date value to the character type, use the function toChar. Simple. To which type you are converting, you are telling. That's it. toChar. Okay. Just like Java is providing toString. ToString it is providing. Java is providing toString method. Just like Java is providing toString method, here it is providing toChar method. If we want to convert number to the character type, if our requirement is converting number to the character type, again same function we use toChar. Now opposite of these two, if you want to convert string to date, if you want to convert string to date, use the function toDate. If you want to convert string to the number, you can guess now. Which function we use, sir? To convert string to date, sir. To convert string to number, which function we have to use? To number. That's it. Okay. You tell me, sir. I want to convert date to char. To convert date to char, which function we have to use? toChar. I want to convert number to char. I want to convert number to char. To convert number to char, which function we use? toChar. Same. I want to convert string to. I want to convert string to date. To convert string to date, which function we use? toDate. I want to convert string to number. I want to convert string to number. To convert string to number, which function we use? To number. That's it. These only we are learning. Today and tomorrow, what we learn means these things only practically we learn. So here, three types of data is there. Date type, character type, number type. Three types of data, four types of conversions. Four conversions are there. Converting date to char, converting number to char, converting string to date, and converting string to number. Three types of data, four types of conversions. So Oracle SQL provides following conversion functions. First one is to char, second one to date, and third one is to number. To number. Today, completely we focus on to char, sir. Important. So that is why I spent some time here. To char. Today, completely we focus on to char. To char has two purposes. We can convert date to char, number to char. But today, completely we are focusing on converting date to char. This is today's session, sir. How can we convert date to char? This part we are learning. To char has two purposes. We can convert date to char. We can convert number to char. Today, completely we focus on converting date to char. This part we are discussing today. To char we are discussing now. So Oracle SQL is providing these functions to char, to date, to number. So today we are discussing to char function, to char. Okay, what is the syntax of to char? Observe, you already know the purpose. So we can convert date to char here. To convert date to char, we are using it. Char term I am using means understand that is string. So it can be used to convert date to char. Char term I am using means understand that string. To convert date to char, we are using to char. Why we need to convert date to char? This point we need to understand. Listen carefully. Let me log in first. See here. Here, higher dates are there. Here, higher dates are there. Ename higher date. Both I am selecting. Observe, sir. Higher date I am selecting. This is a higher date column. Which data type, sir? Date type. Date type. What is the default Oracle date format? DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. Do you know this pattern? Default date format is DD hyphen MON hyphen YY. This is date value. Suppose your boss is asking that, submit these date values in India date format. What is India date format? This one. Day, month number, year, 1980, like this. This is India date format. Okay, 20. Feb means 2. 22. 1981, like this. So this is which data type, sir? 17 December 80. Which data type? This is 17/12/1980. Which data type? Character. So if we want to change date formats like this, we need to convert date to char. To convert date to char, which function we need to use, sir? To char. In such type of situations, it is useful. Here, by default, date values are in date format, in Oracle date format. By default, all date values are in Oracle date format. Suppose your boss is asking that submit them in India date format. So we need to change now, like this. 17/12/1980, 22/1981, like this. So in such type of situations, to change date formats, we need to convert date to char. This is first reason. Suppose your boss is asking that submit these date values in US date format. What is US date format? Observe here. See, Windows is showing date in US date format only. Observe here. See here, it is showing 5/22/2026. Observe on taskbar. See here. See, 5/22/2026. It is showing here. So that is US date format. Okay, what is US date format? First month, then day, then year. This is US date format. In US date format, I want now. So first month number, December means 12. 17th day, year 1980. Okay, this value I want to convert to like this. 20 Feb 81. This date value I want to convert like this. Month number, Feb means 2. 20, 1981, like this. So this 17 December 80, which data type value? Date value. This 12 17 1980, which data type value? Character type value. In such type of situations, to change the date formats like this, from Oracle format to US date format, from Oracle format to India date format, if we want to change the date formats like this, we need to convert date to char. So to convert date to char, use the function to char. This is first purpose, sir. So why we need to convert date to char? Okay, first reason, to change date formats. To change date formats, we need to convert date to char. This is first reason. Second reason is to extract part of the date. For example, from this date, I want to extract only year. From this date, I want to extract only year, part of date. Or I want to get only month number. December means 12. Or I want to get only day part. Or I want to get only week, short weekday name or full weekday name. Or month, short month name, full month name, like this. To get part of the date like this also. Now this 17 December 80, which data type? Date. This 1980, which data type? Char. To convert this date to char, which function we are using? To char. To char. To extract part of the date also, we need to convert date to char. Sometimes we need to get only year part, only month number, only day, only short weekday name, only full weekday name, or short month name, full month name. To get part of the date, we need to convert date to char. This is second reason, to extract part of the date also. So tomorrow when I start the session, I ask like this. Why we need to convert date to char? Why we need to convert date to char? I'm expecting this answer. First reason, to change date formats. Second reason, to extract part of the date. From Oracle format to India date format, from Oracle format to US date format. If you want to change date format, use to char. No, we want to get only year part or month part or day part, use to char. Okay, did you understand the purpose, sir? Syntax. How to use it? To char. First argument is date value. Date value. This date value. Second argument is format. Just remember this syntax, follow it. Here, second argument is important here. How to tell the format here? Now we are discussing about format. Understand? You tell me how to get today's date. Sys date. Sys date. To get today's date, sys date we are using. Today's date we are getting observed. From today's date, I want to get only year. This is my requirement. So from today's date, I want to get only year. So to extract part of the date, use to char. To char of sys date. Second argument is format. So I want to get a year 4 digits. So write 4 Ys. 4 Ys I'm right. You can write in capital or you can write in small, no problem. 4 Ys you can write in capital, or 4 Ys you can write in small, no problem. So from today's date, so this is today's date. From today's date, I'm extracting year 4 digits. I get output as 2026. 2026 I'm getting. Observe here. Only year part I'm getting. No, year 2 digits I want to get. Year 2 digits I want to get 2 Ys. No, year I want to get in words. Year. Year I am writing. Year. Year I am getting in words. Observe. 2026. These are called formats. 4 Ys format. Year 4 digits I am getting. 2 Ys. Year last 2 digits I am getting. Year. Year I am getting in words. Okay. Like these formats are there. Suppose I want to get month number. MM. Today's date falls under May month. May means 5. 0. Month number I am getting. Observe. MON. Short month name it gives. Month. Full month name it gives. Okay. Because of May is having 3 characters only, we are getting full here. Suppose if date is falling under January month, we get JAN. If February month, FEB, like this. Short month name we get if you use MON. MON gives short month name. So MON gives short month name. Because of May is having 3 characters only, we are getting full name here. Suppose if date comes falls under January, JAN we get. If date falls under February, FEB we get. For March, MAR we get, like this. So all these are formats. This month format, MON format, MM format. These are the formats here. These formats we need to learn now. Okay. Understand, sir? This date means today's date. Today's date is 22nd May 2026. From today's date, I want to extract year 4 digits. Year 4 digits, I want to get 2026. I want to get year 4 digits, right? 4 Ys. I want to get year last 2 digits, 26, right? 2 Ys. I want to get year in words. I want to get year in words, 2026. 2026, like this. To get year in words, use year. These are year related formats. Next, to get month number, 05 mm. To get short month name for January, JAN, like this. To get short month name, MON. To get full month name, January, like this. To get full month name, month. These are month related formats. If you divide like this, easily you can remember them. These are year related formats. These are month related formats. Next, day related formats. Understand now? Day related 5 formats are there. D, DD, 3Ds, DY, and day. Understand these now. D gives day number in week. Day number in week. A week contains how many days, sir? 7 days. Every week starts from which weekday? Sunday. Sunday, if it is giving 1 means Sunday, sir. When I use D format, okay, it may return values between 1 to 7. If I use D format, 2char function returns 1 to 7 because a week contains 7 days. Because of a week contains 7 days, it returns values between 1 to 7. It is returning 1 means that is Sunday. If it is returning 2 means Monday. If it is returning 7 means Saturday. Like this. It gives day number in week. Observe here. So we are in this week, sir. This is calendar. Notice here. This is calendar. May 2026 calendar. Okay. We are in this week now. So this 17 is first day in this week. 18, second day in this week. 19, third day in this week. Okay, this is fourth day in this week. This is fifth day. This is sixth day. And this is seventh day. 1 means Sunday. 2 means Monday. 7 means Saturday. Like this. So today is 22. So today's day number is 6. Like this. To get day number in the week, a week contains 7 days. Today's day number is 6. To get day number in the week, D we use. Next, DD. DD gives day number in month, sir. DD gives day number in month. It gives day number in month. Understand this word? What is the meaning of this word? A month contains how many days, sir? Some months may have 30 days. Some months may have 31 days. Some months may have 28 or 29 days like this. It gives day number. It gives day number in the month. So we are in May month. In May month, what is today's day number? 22. Today's day number is what, sir? 22. In May month, total how many days are there? 31 days. Total how many days are there? 31 days. In 31 days, what is today's day number? 22. 22. That is day number in month. Day number in year. 3 days gives day number in year. 3 days gives day number in year. Okay, what is the meaning of this word? 1 year. 1 year contains how many days, sir? 1 year contains how many days? 365 days. If that is leap year, 366 days will be there. So 2026 is not leap year. So current year is 2026. It is not leap year. So total 365 days are there. In 365 days, today's day number I want to find. So in 365 days, today's day number I want to find. In 365 days, today's day number I want to find. How to find? Observe. January has 31 days. February has 28 days. January 31 days plus. Okay, understand, sir? First, see, in 2026 calendar, this 31st January 2026 is 31st day in 2026. This 1st Feb 2026 is 32nd day. This is 32nd day in 2026. 2nd Feb 2026 is 33rd day in 2026. Like that, this day number I want to find now. Okay. 31st December 2026 is the 365th day. So this is called day number in the year. Like this 22nd May 26 day number in the year I want to find. So January has 31 days, February has 28 days. Okay, again March has 31 days, April 30 days. We are in the May. In the May, today's day number is 22. So today's day number is 142. In 2026 calendar, total 365 days are there. In 365 days, today's day number is 142. So this is day number in year. DY gives short weekday name, like for Sunday, SUN. For Friday, FRI, like this. Day gives full weekday name. Sunday, for Sunday. So these are the day related formats. Next formats are, see, these are year related formats, these are month related formats, and these are day related formats. Okay, suppose if you want to get quarter number, 1 year can be divided into 4 quarters. 1 year we can divide into 4 quarters. Okay, every quarter has 3 months. First quarter means January to March. January, February, March, first quarter. Second quarter means April, May, June. Okay, third quarter means July, August, September. Fourth quarter, October, November, December, like this. 1 year we can divide into 4 quarters. Every quarter has 3 months. January to March, first quarter. April to June, second quarter. July to September, third quarter. October to December, fourth quarter. So this today's date falls under which quarter I want to find. So for this, we use the format Q. Q gives quarter number. CC gives century number. CC gives century number. We are in 21st century. This date falls under 21st century. Next, time related. To get our spot, HH or HH12. To get hours in 24 hours format, HH24. To get minutes, MI. To get seconds, SS. To get fractional seconds, FF. So these are the time related formats. To get AM or PM, AM or PM. These are time related. Okay, like this, if you divide, easily you can remember year related 3 formats, month related 3 formats, day related, time related, other. Year related 3 formats, month related 3 formats, day related 5 formats, time related. These are the time related formats, and these are other formats. So like this, if you divide, easily you can remember them. So these are the formats, sir. These are the formats. So this we specify in the second argument based on our requirement, like this. Like this. See here, 4 Ys. Here 4 digits are right. Okay, 2 Ys. Here last 2 digits I'm getting. Okay, here. Here I'm getting in the words like this. So these only I'm writing now. Second argument we are learning. Okay, so I'm writing like this. Format. Second argument, format. We are learning. Just now I have given overview on all formats. Those formats only I'm writing. Every format purpose I write here. One example I write here. And what's the output it is giving? Output I write here. Okay. So today's date is 22nd May 2026. To get today's date, we use the function sysdate. Sysdate. Okay. Now formats I'm writing. Observe, sir. Year related formats. 3 formats. What are those? 4 Ys. 2 Ys. Yeah. What is the purpose of 4 Ys, sir? Tell me. Just now I told. What is the purpose of 4 Ys? What it gives? What it gives, sir? What it gives, sir? Here 4 digits. 2 Ys means what it gives? Here last 2 digits. Here last 2 digits it gives. What year gives? Here we get in what? That's it. See the example here. Okay, two care of today's date. How to get today's date? Sys date, comma. How to get a year? 4 digits. 4 Ys. That's it. This syntax only I'm following. Sys date. Which data type? Date. What is the format I'm specifying? 4 Ys. So from today's date, it extracts year 4 digits. Today's date is 22nd May 2026. So from this year, so from this sys date, from 22 May to 2026. So from this sys date, it gives year 4 digits. We get output as 2026. Are you understanding, sir? Next, second example. To care of sys date, comma. To care of sys date, comma. 2 Ys I'm writing, sir. Format I'm writing as 2 Ys. It gives year last 2 digits. What we get here? 26. Next, to care of sys date, comma. Year I am writing. Year. Year I am writing. It gives output as 2026. It gives. One important point I'm telling, pay attention, listen carefully. Here, to char is returning digits only. Observe. This to char function is returning digits. 2026 digits are not digits. Okay, here also to char is returning digits only. When to char is returning digits, this case is not having any importance. Even if you write 4 Ys in capital letters, even if you write 4 Ys in small letters, both are same. When to char is returning digits like this, even if you write 4 Ys in capital letters or 4 Ys in small letters, same output we get. But here to char is returning letters. Observe, sir, 2026 letters are not letters. When to char is returning letters, this format case is also important. If I write year in capital letters, I get 2026 in capital letters. If I write year in small letters, I get 2026 in small letters. Sometimes we need to do string comparison. String comparison is case sensitive. That is why we should know, is it written in capital letter 2026 or small letter 2026? We should aware. Suppose if I write a year in init cap case, 2026 I get in init cap case. Once again I am telling, listen sir. Here to char is returning digits. When to char is returning digits, this format case is not important. But here to char is returning letters. When to char is returning letters, this format case is also important. If I write a year in capital letters, 2026 I get in capital letters. If I write year in small letters, I get 2026 in small letters. If I write year in init cap case, I get 2026 in init cap case. Remember this. For next formats, I will not tell like this. Okay. If to char is returning letters, this format case is also important. Remember this. Okay. For example, I am writing to char of sysdate comma to char of sysdate comma. This year I am writing in small letters. Now we get 2026 in small letters. Here we get 2026 in small letters. So if I write year in capital, I get to 26 in capital letters. If I write this year format in small letters, I get 2026 in small letters. When to char is returning letters, this format case is also important. Here to char is returning digits. So when it is returning digits, even if you write 4 Ys in capital letters or small letters, you get 2026 only. Same result you get. So when to char is returning letters, this format case is also important. Did you understand this point, sir? Next, month related formats. What are the month related formats? Month related formats are MM, MON, month. Good. MM. What MM gives? Month number. Month number it gives. What MON gives? Short month name. Month name 3 characters it gives. What month gives? Full month name. Full month name it gives. That's it. This only I'm showing now. To char of sysdate, comma. To char of sysdate, comma. MM I am writing. Today's date falls under May month. May month means month number 5. Suppose I am writing MON here. MON. MON. It gives short month name. For January JAN. For February MON. For February FEB. Like this. Short month name it gives. So because of May is having 3 characters only, it is looking like full name, but it gives short month name. Okay, next. Notice here. Here to char is returning. Here to char is returning letter subject. Here to char is returning letters. So when to char is returning letters, this format case is also important. If I write MON in capital letters, May, I'm getting in capital letters. If I write MON in small letters, May, I get in small letters. Like this. So when 2char is written in letters, this format case is also important. Next, 2char of sysdate, comma, month I am writing. Month. It returns full month name. Full month name we get. Full month name, May we are. Okay, if January, full month name we get. Like this. If you use MON for January, JAN we get. Like this. This is short month name. This is full month name. So these are month related formats. Next, day related formats. Day related formats are 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, DY, day related formats. What D gives it? What D gives? Day number in week. What DD gives? Day number in month. What 3 days gives? Day number in year. What DY gives? Short weekday name. Short weekday name. For Sunday, SQN. Like, okay. Day gives full weekday name. Full weekday name. Understand here? Suppose I'm writing like this. 2char of sysdate, comma, D I am writing. Comma D. Okay. If Sunday, it returns 1. 2char returning 1 means understand that is Sunday. If 2char is returning 2 means understand that is Monday. If 2char is returning 7 means Saturday. So today is Friday. So it gives day number as 6 here. 6 output we get. 6 we get. Good. Next. 2char of sysdate, comma, DD I am writing. DD gives day number in the month. So we are in May month. May month has 31 days. In the 31 days, today's day number is 22. 22 we get. 22 we are getting. 22. Next. 3 days. 3 days. Okay. 2char of sysdate, comma, 3 days. Okay. So January has, it gives day number in the year. January has 31 days. Feb, 28 days. Okay. March, 31 days. April, 30 days. And today's day number is 22. So today's day number in the year is 142. 142. 142. Next, DY gives short weekday name 2char of sysdate, comma, DY. Today is Friday. So it gives FRI. See here, 2char is returning letters. Observe. When 2char is returning letters, format case is also important. If I write DY in small letters, I get FRI in small letters. Next, 2char of sysdate, comma, day. Day. It gives full weekday name. Friday, weekend. Right. Okay, that's it. So this is about day related formats. Next, Q. Q gives quarter number. Quarter number. 1 year we can divide into 4 quarters. First quarter means January to March. Okay, April, May, June. April to June. Second quarter. Okay, third quarter means July to September. July, August, September. Third quarter. October to December. Fourth quarter. Okay, suppose I'm writing 2char of sysdate, comma, 2char of sysdate, comma, Q I'm writing. Q. Today's date falls under May month. May means the second quarter. So we get output as 2. Today's date falls under May month. May means second quarter. So 2 we are getting. CC. CC not that much important. Remaining all formats are important. CC not that much important. The CC not that much important. This year in words also not that much important. Remaining all are very important. Okay. CC gives century number. It gives century number. We are in 21st century. So if I write CC here, it gives 21. 21 we get. So these are other formats. Next, time related formats. HH gives HH or HH12 gives hours value in 12 hours format. Hours value in 12 hours format we get. HH24 gives hours value in 24 hours format. Okay, suppose I'm writing like this: to care of sysdate, comma HH I am writing HH. Okay, now the time is okay 2:58. Now the time is 2:58 p.m. 2:58 p.m. So hours value it is giving in 12 hours. 2 it gives. Okay, if I write HH24, if I write HH24, it gives 14, 14 in 24 hours format. Okay, in taskbar it is showing in 24 hours format only, 14:58. Okay, 24 hours format. Now, if you want to get minutes, right? MI gives minutes part. Minutes part we get. If you want to get seconds, SS gives seconds part. Seconds part. If you want to get fractional seconds, FF gives fractional seconds. Next, if you want to get AM or PM, you can write AM or PM. Anyone you can write. If that is AM time, you get AM. If that is PM time, you get PM. So these are the time related formats. That's it, sir. Now you know all formats. Tell me, sir. You tell me what are the year related formats? How to get year 4 digits? 4 wise. How to get year 2 digits? How to get year in words? Yeah. What are how to get month number? How to get short month name? How to get full month name? Month. How to get day number in week? How to get day number in month? How to get day number in year? 3 days. How to get short weekday name? DY. How to get full weekday name? Day. Day related. How to get quarter number? Q. How to get century number? CC. How to get hours in 12 hours format? HH or HH12. How to get hours in 24 hours format? How to get minutes? How to get seconds? How to get fractional seconds? How to get AM or PM? AM or PM. That's it, sir. These are the formats. Okay, these formats only I'm showing now. So much explanation is not required. Now you know very clearly now. So just observe here. All formats I'm typing, just observe the outputs. Our discussion correct or not, observe the outputs. Select to care of. Year related formats I'm showing now. To care of. Sysdate, comma, 4 wise. See, sir. From today's date, we are extracting year 4 digits. We get output as 2026. See here, year 4 digits I'm getting. Okay, next. 2 wise I'm writing. 2 wise. 2 wise I'm writing. 2 wise. Okay, year last 2 digits I'm getting. Observe. 26. Next. Year I'm writing. Year. Year I'm writing in capital letters. I'm getting 2026 in capital letters. If I write this year in small letters, I get 2026 in small letter. When 2 char is written in letters, this K format case is also important. If I write year in capital letter 26. If I write year in small letters, small letter 26. These are year related formats. Month related, month number I am getting 05. MON, short month name I am getting. Month name 3 characters. Month, full month name we are getting. May. Next. Day related formats. D. Day number in the week. Today is Friday, means 6th day in this week. Tomorrow is weekend. Tomorrow is weekend. Okay, 6th day. Day number in the week we are getting. Okay, DD. DD. Day number in the month. Today is 22nd day in this month. 3 days. Day number in the year. Today is 142nd day in this year. DY. Short weekday name. Today is Friday. FRA we are getting. Day. Full weekday we are getting. See, Friday. Friday. Next. Okay, see here. Q. Quarter number. Quarter number I am getting 2. Today's date falls under second quarter. May means second quarter. April, May, June, second quarter. Century number. Today's date falls under 21st century. We are in 21st century. Next. Time. In initial classes, I already told this point. When we discuss about date data type, I told this point. Date also contains time. It is having system time now. Sys date means we are seeing only today's date, but it is also having time also. It is having time also. 3 hours, 3 minutes, so and so seconds, PM. Time is also there, but by default, it is not displaying time. Date also contains time, sir. Date also contains time, but by default, it will not display time. But I want to see the time now. So to extract time, okay, we have to take the help of toChar. Using toChar, I can see the time now. Once again, I'm telling, sir, in the initial classes, I told this date also contains time. Sys date is also having current system time. Here, current system time is there. Current system time is there, but by default, it will not display time. If we want to see this time, take the help of toChar. By taking the help of toChar, I can get time from sysdate. Okay. Now I want to, the question is like this. Display current system time in 12 hours format. Display current system time in 12 hours format. Okay. Display current system time in 12 hours format. First time I write, sir. Second time you have to tell. See here. Select toChar of sysdate. Date is also having time. The time I want to extract now. So to get hours in 12 hours format, write HH. Or you can write HH12 also. To get minutes, MI. To get seconds, SS. Okay, to get AM or PM, right? AM or PM. So these are time related formats, sir. That's it. Like so. Suppose the question is display current system time in 24 hours format. In 24 hours format. Then we write like this. Select toChar of sysdate, comma. To get hours in 24 hours format, it is 24. To get minutes, MI. MI. To get seconds, SS. Okay, for 24 hours format, we never use AM or PM. That's it. Like this we write. Like this we write. You tell me, sir, I want to get current system time from sysdate in 12 hours format. How to write? Select toChar of sysdate, comma, hours 12 hours format, sir. HH colon minutes, MI colon, for seconds, SS, for AM or PM, AM or PM. So we are getting current system time. Observe, sir. 3:06. Now the time is 3:06. 3 hours, 6 minutes, 47 seconds PM. This time I want to get in 24 hours format. So here write HH 24. Current system time I'm getting in 24 hours format. 15:17. See here. 15 minutes 3. And you already know the sysdate is date data type. Date data type can hold up to seconds only. Date data type cannot hold fractional seconds. Date data type can hold up to seconds only. Date data type cannot hold fractional seconds. Okay, so that is why I cannot use FF format on data type. On data type, I cannot use FF format. If I use FF format, it is giving error. Format not recognized, it is telling. If FF is not there, working. If FF is there, error. So date data type can hold up to seconds only. Sysdate is date type. Date data type can hold up to seconds only. But you are asking that give me fractional seconds. Impossible. It is not having fractional seconds. How can it give? So that is why. Okay. To get current system date and time, there is another function is there. Sys timestamp. You already know sys timestamp. So from sys timestamp, if I want to get the time, I write like this. So sys timestamp is giving. Sys timestamp is giving both date and time. Both date and time it is giving. So now I want to get only time. So I'm writing like this. To care of sys timestamp, comma. To get hours value, HH. To get minutes value, MI. Okay. Dot you can write or colon you can write, no problem. Okay. So MI. To get seconds value, SS. To get fractional seconds, FF. To get AMRPM, MRPM. All time related formats I'm using here. Okay. Observe now. From sys timestamp, I'm getting time now. Observe. Including fractional seconds, I'm getting, observe, sir. To get fractional seconds, we use the format FF. FF. So this is clear information regarding formats. Okay. Is it clear about all formats, sir? Okay. Online students, please confirm. Very useful, sir. In queries, very useful. Don't underestimate them. Online students, please confirm. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Then when these are useful, see some examples. Suppose the question is like this. Display the employee records who joined in 1980. Display the employee records who joined in 1980. This query already we did. So if hire date falls between 1st January 1982, if hire date falls between 1st January 1982, 31st December 1980, then he joined in 1980. To compare with range of values, which operator we need to use, sir? To compare with range of values, which operator we need to use? Huh? To compare with range of values, which operator we need to use? Between and. Between and. Which column values we want to compare? Higher date. Between. What is the lower date? 1st January 1980. And upper date? 31st December 1980. So this condition we write. Who joined in 1980 we get. But suppose the question is like this. Who joined in 1980, 1982, 1984, and 1986? If I use between and operator now, how many between ands I need to write, sir? How many between and conditions I need to write now? 4. Hire date between 1st January 1980 and 31st December 1980. Or hire date between 1st January 1982 and 31st December 1982. Or like this. How many conditions I need to write, sir? 4. Is it not becoming complex, sir? Very complex. So sometimes using operator is easy for us. Sometimes using function is easy for us. So in such type of situations, extract year from hire date. How to extract year from hire date, you already know. Is it in this list or not? We have to check. 1980, 1982, 1984, 1986. How to extract a year from hire date? You already know. Just now I explained it. How to extract a year from a hire date, sir? What we need to write? What we need to write, sir? To care of. Okay, from which date value we need to extract year 4 digits? High date. From high date, what we want to extract? Year 4 digits. Is it in this list or not? We are checking. That's it, sir. I'm writing only one condition. Observe. If I use between and operator, I would write 4 conditions. If I write like this, I'm writing one condition only. That complex condition simplified by this function. So sometimes using operator is easy for us. Sometimes using function is easy for us. So it is better to write like this. Now you have to tell these queries now. Display the employee records who joined in 1982. I want to use to care function, sir. Tell me, sir, how to write. I want to get 2 columns only. Ename and hire date. Everyone involved in the class just feel like practice, sir. Speak something. Tell me, sir. Select ename, comma, hire date from EMP. చెప్పాలి అమ్మ, చెప్పాలి బాబు, చెప్పాలి. Where? Which column value we have to check, sir? Okay. Higher date. From higher date, extract year 4 digits. From higher date, extract year 4 digits. Is it equals to 1982 or not? I want to check. Extract year 4 digits now. How to extract year 4 digits? To care of higher date, comma, 4 equals to, with which value we have to compare? 1982. One more time, sir. One more time. Who joined in 1982? I want. What to write? Select 2 columns I want to get. Ename, comma, hire date. From EMP, where? Extract year from hire date. To care of hire date, comma, 4 equals to 1982. Who joined in 1982? We are getting, observe, sir. Suppose same question, little bit I'm changing. Okay, display the employee records. Who joined in 1980, 1982, 1983? Okay, same. But we need to compare with list of values. To compare with list of values, what we need to write, sir? In. What are the list of values here? 1980, comma, 1982, comma, 1983. Tell me now. Tell me this query now. What we need to write, sir? Select ename, comma, hire date from EMP. Where? Extract year 4 digits. To care of hire date, comma, 4 4 which operator we are using to compare with list of values? In. What are the list of values? That's it. Copy this. Observe, sir. So who joined in 80 we are getting? 83 we are getting? 82 also. How it is working? Let me explain. How it is working? Understand this word. Let me explain clearly, sir. Listen. What is happening here? So I am writing condition like this, where to care of hire date, comma, 4 in 1980, comma, 1982, comma, 1984. Like this we are writing. What happens now? This condition will be applied on every row. On first row, condition applied. From this 17 December 1980, this is first hire date value. Okay, this to care function applied on first row. So from this date, extract year 4 digits. Year 4 digits is extracting. So what we are getting? 1980. Is 1980 in this list or not? It is checking. Is 1980 in the list, sir? Yes. 1980 in the list, observe. So condition is true. If condition is true, this record will be displayed. First record will be displayed. Next, from second hire date, extracting year 4 digits. 1981 we are getting. Is 1981 in the list? No. Condition is false. So for all these false only, 81 we get, 1981 we get, 1981 not in the list, false only. Again here, From this higher date, extracting year 4 digits, 1982. Is 1982 in the list? Yes, true. This will be displayed. Like this it works. This condition will be applied on every row. Next. Next question. So this is a way of using year-related formats. Next. Display the employee records who joined in December month. What we have to do now? Extract month. Extract month. Month number you can extract, or short month name you can extract, or full month name you can extract. Anyone you can use. Extract month from extract month number from higher date. Is it equals to 12 or not? We have to check. Extract month number from higher date. Is it equals to 12 or not? How to extract month number? You already know. How to write, sir? To care of. From which date? High date. How to get month number? MM. Is it equals to 12 or not? Who joined in December month? We get. No, if you want to use MON, if you want to use MON format here, you have to compare with, DEC. No, if you want to use month format, you have to compare with December. But here one problem is there. I will tell that one. So if we write to 2 care of higher date comma month equals to December, here one problem is there. That problem I will tell. Okay. So for this, we can use M format or MM format. Sorry. We can use MM format or MON format or month format. Month related, any format you can use. Okay. Observe here, I want to get two columns, ename and higher date. Write like this, select ename comma higher date from EMP, where extract month number. To extract month number, write like this, to care of higher date comma MM. If month number is 12, then display. From higher date, extracting month number. If 12, true, display. Extracting month number. Is it equals to 12? False. February means 2. Is 2 equals to 12? False. Like this. April means 4. Is 4 equals to 12? False. Like this. False. So if joined in December, it gives. Otherwise, it will not give. No, if you want to use MON format, compare with DEC. Compare with DEC. If you want to use month format, you have to compare with December. But this one will not work. This third one will not work. Why? This third one gives output as no rows selected. Wrong output we are getting. The employees who joined in December, I'm not getting. Wrong output I'm getting. Why? Remember that for every month name, this to-care function returns 9 characters. To-care function returns 9 characters for every full month name. For every full month name, it returns 9 characters. Understand this point, sir? For January is having how many characters, sir? January has how many characters? 7. To-care returns how many characters? 9. So January 7 characters. Remaining 2 characters are what? 2 space. Total 9 characters it returns. Total 9 characters it returns, sir. Point is very important. To-care function returns 9 characters for every full month name. For February is having how many characters? 3, 6, 7, 8. How many spaces? One space. Total how many characters? 9. For March is having 5 characters. Okay, how many spaces? 4 spaces. Total 9 characters. Like this. For every month, 9 characters it returns. Okay, why it is returning 9 characters? Because in all month names, September is the maximum string length. September is having 9 characters. Observe. Because of September, for all month names, it is returning 9 characters. In the same way, December is having 8 characters, 1 space. So what is happening here is, if you write like this, you are getting output as no row selected. Why? Because if employee joined in the December, this 2 char is returning December 1 space. 2 char is returning December 1 space. Is December 1 space equals to December it is checking. Condition is false. All conditions are false. When all conditions are false, we get output as no rows. Once again, I'm telling, sir, for full month name, for every month name, it returns 9 characters. For January 2 spaces. For February 1 space, like this. For every full month name, 9 characters it returns. Here 2 char is returning. If employee joined in the December, this 2 char is returning December 1 space, 9 characters. Is December 1 space equals to December we are checking. Condition is false. Okay, all conditions will be false. January equals to December, false. February equals to December, false. December 1 space equals to December, false. All conditions false. When all conditions false, we get output as no rows. That is why we are getting this output. So problem is what? This right side space. How to remove right side spaces, sir? How to remove right side unwanted characters? How to remove right side spaces? Okay, how to remove right side unwanted characters? How to remove right side spaces? R trim. R trim. So that is why here to get correct output, we have to use R trim. Very good. Okay, like this. At right time, right function should strike in your mind. R trim off. Right, like this. Now we get correct output. Correct output we get. So write like this now. Okay, what happens now? Understand here? So if employee joined in December, if employee joined in December, if employee joined in December, it returns December, it returns December 1 space. If employee joined in December, it returns December 1 space. On this December 1 space, so this 2 char function is returning December 1 space. On this December 1 space, R trim function is applied. R trim function is applied. R trim function is applied. So what R trim function is doing? It is removing right side spaces. Default trimming character is space. That is why I'm not telling. So right side spaces will be removed. So now it returns December. Is December equals to December? It is checking. Is this condition true? True. It displays who joined in December. Okay. Did you understand how we are using R trim? Okay. Now see here. This one only I'm showing. Okay. You have to tell, sir. Who joined in December? Who joined in December? This I want. Okay. First, I want to use format. Tell me, sir, I want to get 2 columns only. E-name and hire date. Who joined in December I want. Tell me now what we need to write. Uh, 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 2 care of hire date, comma, good. Uh, equals to 12. We are using means compare with 12. Okay, who joined in December? I'm getting observed. Okay, who joined in September? I want. Who joined in September? Who joined in September? I want. September means 9. Who joined in September? I am getting like this. Like this. Who joined in September? I am getting observed. Next, who joined in December? I want. who joined in December I want. Okay, just I want to use MON format now. Observe here, select ename comma hire date from EMP, where to care of hire date comma MON. Who joined in December I want. So MON written short month name. So compare with days. Who joined in December we are getting observed. Suppose who joined in September I want. Who joined in September I want. Compare with SCP. SAP. MON written short month name. Next. Who joined in December I want now. Okay, but I want to use month format. Month format. Observe carefully here. Notice the output, sir. Select ename comma hire date from EMP, where to care of hire date comma month, hire date comma month equals to December. December. Okay. Please confirm, sir. What is the output we get now? No, sir. Very good. So why? Because for every month name it returns 9 characters. For every month name it is returning 9 characters. For December, it is returning December 1 space. Is December 1 space equals to December? False. All conditions are false. January equals to December? False. February equals to December? False. March equals to December? False. December 1 space equals to December? False. All conditions are false. So we're getting output as no row selected. So to get correct output, remove right side space. To remove right side space, I'm calling the function rtrim. Rtrim. See? So who joined in December we are getting. If I use rtrim, I'm getting correct output. If rtrim is not there, wrong output. See? If I write like this, wrong output I'm getting. If I use rtrim, I'm getting correct output. So this is a way of using month formats. Next. Now you have to tell this query, sir. You tell me. Display the employees who joined in 1981 December month. Display the employee records who joined in 1981 December month. So write two conditions here. Extract year. Is it equals to 1981 or not? Extract month. Extract month number. Is it equals to 12? Both conditions should be satisfied. Year must be 1981. Month must be December 12. So both conditions should be satisfied. So use the operator. And okay, how to extract year you already know. How to extract month number also you already know. Tell me, sir. I want to get two columns only. Ename and hide date. Tell me now. Try, sir. What to write? Uh, uh, Extract year 4 digits. Took care of hide date comma 4 y's equals to 1981. 1981. Next, and extract year 2 digits, sir. Sorry, month 2 digits. Extract month 2 digits. How to extract? Added comma mm equals to 12. That's it. Copy this. Who joined in 1981 December we get. Copy it. Observe here. So year is 1981. Month is December. Who joined in December 1981? We are getting. So very useful, sir. Next. You have to tell this. Display the employee records who joined in first quarter and fourth quarter. Who joined in first and fourth quarters. How to extract quarter you already know. I want to get two columns only. Ename comma head. Tell me, sir. Ename comma hire date from EMP. Where? Extract quarter. Took care of hire date comma Q. Very good. Q equal Q. We need to compare with two values. 1, 4. To compare with list of values. Which operator? In. In. To compare with list of values in. What are the list of values? 1, comma 4. Copy this. Okay, observe here who joined in first quarter and fourth quarter. We are getting observe. December means fourth quarter. Okay, Feb means first quarter. Okay, December, November, fourth quarter. January, first quarter. Okay, so who joined in first and fourth quarters? We are getting. So what is happening here? These are all higher rate values. Okay, I am submitting the condition like this. I am submitting condition as where took care of higher rate comma q in 1 comma 4 like this, right? Okay, so this where condition will be applied on every row from first to higher date, extracting quarter number. December means 4. Is 4 in the list? It is checking. Is 4 in the list? Yes, true. First row will be selected. Next again, from this higher date, extracting quarter number. Feb means first quarter. Is it in the list? Yes, true. This will be displayed. Suppose I am taking this one. April. April means second quarter. Okay, April means second quarter. Is it in the list? No. False. False. Okay, September. Okay, September means third quarter. Is 3 in the list? No. False. Like this it works. December, quarter number 4. Is it in the list? Yes. True. Displayed. So from high rate extracting quarter number, if it is in the list, true. Otherwise, false. Like this it works. So this is a way of using quarter. Last one, sir. So with this 2 care topic will be finished. Last query. Display the employee records who joined on Sunday. Display the employee records who joined on Sunday. So you can use D format. If you use D format, compare with 1. If you use DY, compare with SUN. If you are using day format, compare with Sunday. Here also, for Sunday, it returns Sunday 3 spaces. For every weekday name, for every weekday full name, it returns 9 characters because of Wednesday. Wednesday is having 9 characters. Because of Wednesday is having 9 characters, for every full month, full weekday name, it returns 9 characters. So here also we need to use order. So you can use D format or DY format or day format. Okay, first I'm using D format now. So I want to get 2 columns. Who joined on Sunday I want. So write like this. Select ename comma hire date from EMP. Where? I want to use D format, sir. How to extract weekday number, sir? What we have to write? Took care of hire date comma D. Okay. Who joined on Sunday we want. Sunday means 1. So we have to compare with 1. Right like this. Who joined on Sunday weekend. No, if you want to use DY format, DY also you can use. If you use DY, I already told, when 2care is returning letters, that case is also important. I am writing DY in capital letters. Definitely, I have to compare with capital letter SUN only. If I write small letter SUN here, I get output as no row selected. Because if employee joined on Sunday, 2care returns SUN. But I am comparing with small letter Sunday. Condition is false. All conditions will be false. So string comparison case sensitive. So that is why 2care is returning capital letter SUN. That is why we must compare with capital letter SUN. Next. Day. If I write like this, okay, first 2 queries will work, but third query will not work. Here it gives output as no rows selected. Why? Because for every weekday, 2char returns 9 characters. 2char returns 9 characters for every full weekday name. Okay. If Sunday, observe sir, Sunday is having 6 letters, 3 spaces. For Sunday, it returns Sunday, 3 spaces. Total 9 characters. Okay. For Monday, Monday is having 6 letters, Monday, 3 spaces. Like this. For Tuesday, Tuesday is having 7 letters, 2 spaces. Like this for every weekday, it returns 9 characters. Why it is returning 9 characters? Because of Wednesday. Wednesday is having 9 characters. Observe. This is maximum string length in all weekday names. Because of Wednesday, it is returning 9 characters. For Saturday, it returns Saturday 1 space. So because of this reason only, here for Sunday, 2char is returning Sunday 3 spaces. Is Sunday 3 spaces equals to Sunday we are checking. Condition is false. All conditions are false. That is why we are getting output as no row select. So this right side space are problem here. Remove these right side unwanted spaces. To remove right side spaces, call the function rtrim. Rtrim. That's it. So use rtrim. It works now. That's it. So these only I'm showing now. Observe. So who joined on? Sunday we want. Okay. Who joined on? Sunday we want. So I want to use D format, next dy format, next day format. 3 formats I use. Okay. And we want to get 2 columns, ename and hire date. Observe there. Select ename comma hire date from emp where 2char of hire date comma D. Who joined on Sunday we want. So compare with 1. Who joined on Monday if you want, compare with 2. So who joined on Sunday we want. So I am comparing with 1. This word implied joined on Sunday. 1 implied joined on Sunday. Now, if you want to use dy format, dy. Definitely I have to compare with capital letter SUN only. If I compare with small letter SUN, I get wrong output, no row selected. Word record actually we have to get because I'm comparing with the wrong case. I have to compare with capital letter SUN. 2char returns capital letter SUN because I am using dy capital letters. Okay, now it is working. Who joined on Sunday I'm getting. If I want to use day format, write like this, day, Sunday. If I write like this, I get output as no row selected. Because for Sunday, it is returning Sunday 3 spaces. Is Sunday 3 spaces equals to Sunday? False. False. Is Sunday 3 spaces equals to Sunday? False. All conditions false, no row selected. So right side spaces are problem. To remove right side spaces, call the function rtrim. If I use rtrim, right side spaces removed. So Sunday in Sunday 3 spaces, right side 3 spaces removed. Is Sunday equals to Sunday true? I'm getting correct out. Like this. Like this we can use. Is it clear up to here, sir? Last one. So last 2 queries for today's session. With this, I stop the session. Display employee names and hire dates. If the question is this much only, how to write you already know. Display all employee names and hire dates. If the question is like this, you write like this. Name, comma, hire date from EMP. Like this you write. All employee names and hire dates you are getting. Observe. All implied names, hire dates you are getting. But your boss is asking that submit hire dates in India date format. Submit these hire dates in India date format. What is India date format? DD, four bytes. Day number 2 digits, month number 2 digits, year 4 digits. Like this, I want to get this 17 December 80. I want to get as 17/12/1980. This is my requirement. This 20 Feb 81. I want to get as 22/1981. This is my requirement. Okay. So your boss is asking that display submit all employee names and hire dates. Submit hire dates in India date format. India date format. India date format is TD, 4 bytes. So in all our previous examples, we called toChar function from where class. But here our requirement is displaying them in India date format. Display means call from select class only. Tochar of hire date. In India date format we want. So in day number 2 digits, month number 2 digits, year 4 digits. Give alias name as hire date. Copy this. Observe now. See here, we are getting hire dates in India date format. Observe. This is India date format. Observe, sir. So for your understanding purpose, hire date default values I also am displaying. See here. Observe. Now you tell me, sir, this 17 December 80, which data type value? This 17 December 80, which data type value? Date. This 17/12/1980, which data type value? Char. So to convert this date to char, which function we are using here? Tochar. That's it, sir. Next, no, I want to get these hire dates in US date format. These hire dates, I want to get in US date format. So US date format means what, sir? First then DD, then 4 bytes. From here. See here. In US date format, we are getting observed, sir. Okay. Suppose I want to get hire dates also. For our understanding purpose, original hire dates also I am displaying. See. Observe. See, this is date value. 17 December 80. Date value. We are displaying this in US date format. Observe. First month number 12. December means 12. Okay. Then day number 17. Then year 4 digits like this. US date format. In US date format, we are getting these are which type values? Character type. Character type. So this date value, if you want to convert to character type, then use the function toChar. Why we are converting date to char? First reason, to change date formats. Second reason, to extract part of the date, like year part, month part, weekday part. For these two reasons, we are using toChar. One is to change date formats from Oracle format to India format or US format. Another one is to extract part of the date. Okay, toChar topic is over. Please confirm, sir. Did you understand today's session? So please get grip on it, sir. This is very, very important, very useful at real time. So as a developer, we must know string operations, data operations. Okay, so please practice it, put it aside. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Online students, if you have any doubts, type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Session is over.